we got Geist-Fafner, and the long Beylauncher. Let's unbox it.
Hey guys, Ripers Ultra here, back with another video. And in today's video, I just unboxed Geist-Fafner. If you want to check that video out, check that out in my one of my playlists, on the unboxing playlist. So yeah, what I got here is the long Beylauncher set for the left spin, and it comes with a proof frame. What do you call this? What do you call it again? Weight damper. It comes with a weight damper, a carabiner grip, and the proof frame, especially for Geist-Fafner. So yeah, I'm gonna open it and see when I open. So as you can see here, this is what it comes with, and I'm gonna show you the box real quick. So it's the owner for this launcher, and the stuff is for free, and it's especially for Geist-Fafner. It explains here that the proof frame is actually supposed to give it extra life after death or stamina. As you can see, this for the long Beylauncher is longer than the original launcher. So I'm gonna show you that. So yeah, so this is the long Beylauncher. Really long, I have to say. Let me just put this. Oh, I can't show you, but you probably know. You can just see from other videos from other Baytubers. So yeah, comes with all of that. So I'm gonna show you the stuff that comes with the long Beylauncher, the carabiner grip, and the weight damper. It's like a huge weight attached to a spring. It's probably supposed to help with your launch. So yeah, I'm not familiar with these types of launchers, so if I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. You put this way, slide it that way, right? And you plug that in so it stays, right? And what you do here is, what do you do here? You get this, you put this here like that, you put it like this. How do you do it? Oh, I think you have to take that out and put it in here. How do you do it? Okay, I think it's like this. You take it out, you put it like this, and you click it so it stays in place. So yeah. This is the launcher, all assembled, pretty nice, but the weight is more focused on this side more than anything. So yeah, this is that assembled. Now we have the proof frame, and this is especially for Geist-Fafner, so cause you can put this on your 8 prime disc, and it's on perfectly, and you put it on your Geist-Fafner. And what this is, it's round, so it gives it, if I'm gonna put you right here, let me just get my phone. Okay, if I'm to put the phone right here, let me just balance it with one of my stuff. Let me get it. Can you see? Sorry. Okay, if you can't see, then I guess you can't see, but let me show you at least. So if Geist-Fafner didn't have that, he would be way down there. But what this is supposed to do is supposed to keep it stabilized or give it some life after death, as you can see there. So yeah, now Geist-Fafner is completely completed. So yay! So yeah, you saw that. I'm gonna put in my camera back on the stabilizer. Sorry, this is what I used to balance the camera. So yeah, we got our weight damper, we got our Geist-Fafner with everything. So the Geist-Fafner set is completed. So we're gonna test out this launcher with Geist-Fafner with the proof frame, and we're gonna see if this changes anything. So I'm gonna get a stadium here, using the left spin launcher. I'm gonna first try with drain Fafner. It feels kind of loose. It feels like one of my Hasbro. I'm used to Hasbro string launchers. That's a Karatoni launcher, so it does actually make the bay go faster. I'm gonna try with Geist. Good launch. Looks like Geist-Fafner is stabilized. That is awesome. So we're gonna get our Geist-Fafner real quick. Ooh, and it goes fast. Now let me get one of my like a left spin Beyblade. Probably would be Longinus, bloody Longinus in this case. Let's try it out. This. Oh, it does give it more power. I like this launcher so far. It's really good. Might use it for left spin. So yeah, matches my stadium color too. Not Buster's color. It's not Buster's color unboxing. So yeah, this is all the stuff that comes with the Geistfafner. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. It was worth $60. Yes, this was $60. This weighs a lot though. I like it. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, it means a lot to me. I've been waiting for this thing for so long. Like, my binder is full of pictures with this. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, means a lot. See you guys later. Viper Ultra out. Peace.